Hi, I'm Joe Haley. Welcome to the Joe Show. Check out today's first product. This is a chew toy for dogs. You can play with it a variety of different ways. You can toss it like it's a flyer and the dog can go get it when he comes back. We can have a tug of war with it, or if there's just a lazy day and they're sitting out in the backyard, they can chew on the nice fiber rope here. Great for anyone in the pet industry, especially for dog adoption agencies. At this time of year, you'll see those tents pop up in and around shopping malls, trying to find forever homes for animals. Be a great gift to give to someone after they've adopted a dog. It's got a great spot for a logo on there as well. All right, I've got next the Bearded Man can, and I got a beard here, so pop this open and give you a little washer to help you pop open the lid. And we're gonna see what's inside. There's a variety of different grooming products in here for men with beards. First, we've got some beard oil after you're done showering stuff. A little drop into the beard is going to keep it nice and smooth and conditioned. We also have eucalyptus lotion, which is good to apply to the skin as well. We have natural bar soap for men, made for men. And then finally inside here, it's important when you have a beard to also have lip balms. You'd be amazing how chapped you get on that upper lip here. So it's great as a men's giveaway, of course. You can give it away at barbershops, a men's clothing store. This would be great as well. And just don't think of it as a hipster promotion. It will fit for most men with beards. All right, this next product, we're getting that time of year. There's a lot of music festivals, a lot of outdoor festivals. There's gonna be baseball tournaments, there's gonna be soccer tournaments, softball tournaments, and there's gonna be parking attendants, and something like this is going to be important because especially when they're parking cars at night or at twilight, they need to be seen. So this is ANSI certified safety vest, so they can put it over a t-shirt. It's not gonna be hot on them. It's got some reflective stripes on it as well. Great spot on the back here for a logo. It can be a local police department if the organization is partnered with the police department. It could also be a club or an organization, sports organization logo on there as well. But you want to make sure that your car parking attendants are well seen. I'm going to show you some hand-dyed shirts, and you're going to see some great printing capabilities on these. An all-over imprint here. These shirts start out white, but they are hand-dyed with organic dyes, and they are print with water-based inks here. So you got a nice dog on here. What is it a dog? No, it's a wolf, Kyle. It's a wolf. Kind of gives a little bit of a tie-dye feel, even though it's not tie-dye. It is hand-dyed, and this is a picture of my brother on the front of this shirt. So you can see, if you use any type of t-shirts in any type of promotion, whether it's an organization that gives them out to players, coaches, whether it's a business that gives it to employees, landscapers, you know, might have the name of a landscape company on this shirt. This is a great shirt to have. It's got a great look. It's made with organic dyes and, again, water-based ink. And today's last product on the Joe Show, we'll pick this up. We've got a very sizable cooler here. What I love about this cooler is the imprinting ability on this, okay? They can do a full wrap on this cooler, and they can do the top as well. I'm gonna put it down, let you see the top. Okay, we've got the rubber hold downs. Also on the top there, you saw there's 4 cup holders. We open it up, sizable space inside, very thick construction here. This is going to keep your ice for a long time, your cold beverages cold for a long time. They say it's great for camping. If you're going for like a weekend camping, you should keep your food cool for the entire weekend. But we just talked about spring and summer events, all those tournaments, those sports parents go to those events and they have to have ice and they need to have water and they need to have the sports drinks. This cooler would look great with a sports organization logo on it. Also makes a great gift for your employee picnics, for all the employees as an appreciation for a job well done. All right, well, that's all the time we had today. Thanks a lot for watching. This is ASI TV.